Meet Zhang Xixian. This self-taught artist from a rural village in China will make you question reality with his mind-blowing 3D street art illusions. With just a handful of charcoal pencils, Zhang uses his brilliant understanding of 3D perspective to create these amazing paintings that feel so alive. Don't believe us? Well, his art is tried and tested with both humans and animals. Honestly, we would get confused too. Watch the magic unfold as Zhang takes you to the streets to play some cool tricks on your mind.
Bye.